In today's video, we're going to be discussing separating techniques or separation techniques. That means various techniques or method used in separating mixtures, various mixtures. Okay, but before we begin or start or commence the main discussions for today, that means the various separating techniques we have, let's first define or have a proper or clear understanding of what mixtures is all about. So, what is mixtures? So a mixture is a compound made up of two or more chemical compounds or elements that are not chemically linked. Okay. One of the key points to note in this definition is number one, they are not chemically linked. Number two, made up of two or more chemical compounds or elements. But before commencing the discussion, let's also look at the next or second definition or another definition for mixtures. Okay. So emission is a physical bent of two or more substances that preserve their identity and are not blended in the form of solution, suspension or colloid. Okay, so with that being laid down, let's look at the various separating techniques that are available for separating mixtures or for mixture separation. The first one on our list today is magnetic separation, magnetic attraction. So the next one is filtration. The third one is evaporation. The next one is crystallization. The next one is distillation. The next one is chromatography, and so on and so forth. There are more than these being listed on the screen, but for today's video, we are going to be looking at some of these, not all. And in our next video, we are going to be concluding on the definition of each of these separating techniques, the principle they work on, and how is it done? That means how is it possible for such separating techniques to be so accurate and the accuracy and precision? Okay, so what is magnetic attraction? Well, before we start or commence, I'd like to beg you all to please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, or if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. And if by the ending of this video you get one or two things from this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't also forget these two most important things: to share this video and to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified when all that video regarding this topic are released. So without wasting much time, let's commence the discussion for today. So what is magnetic attraction? The method of magnetic attraction use the basic principle of magnetism to separate a mixture of both a magnetic and a non-magnetic substance. Okay. So the next one is filtration. Filtration can be applied to separate insoluble solid from liquid as well as solid from solid. And most especially this method, we apply it to our day-to-day activities. Let's take for example those Nigerian women our or those Nigerian mothers that dwell in the kitchen or knows how to cook food, or that are very good at cooking. They apply this principle of filtration, but they don't know that it's actually filtration they apply. Let's assume, for example, those that normally parboil the rice. If they want to separate the solid from the liquid, sometimes they apply principle of filtration using a bath or anything they call it this thing. But that principle that they're applying at that moment is principle of filtration, because they're trying to separate the liquid from that rice from the insoluble solid called the rice. But we're looking at more example in the next video regarding this topic. Okay. So crystallization. Crystallization is used to separate soluble solid that tend to decompose upon heating from its solution. Okay. Next one is distillation. Distillation involves separating a liquid from a solution. I believe just defining or explaining only the definition may not really give some of you proper understanding, But in our next video, we're going to give a step-by-step procedure on how this is done, regarding this topic on how this is done, how it can be achieved, level of accuracy as I earlier mentioned, and some errors being encountered why this process is gone. But we can't just do that without laying a proper definition of each of these processes to avoid confusion or to avoid misunderstanding. So this process, two processes are involved in distillation. We have the boiling and the condensation. Those are the two processes involved in distillation. These are important things to take note about, especially for those that are writing objective exam, or those that require, or those that are writing exam that require option. They may ask you, what are the two processes involved in distillation? So I believe this is a knowledge begin for some of us that have not encountered it before. Okay. So the next one is chromatography. Chromatography is an analytical method of isolating the colored component of a mixture. So most of the time, this method is mainly used to separate colors. That means it's used for isolating the color component of a mixture's form. Yeah, this separating techniques deals with color component. Let's put it in that way. In the next video regarding this topic, we'll explain more on it. Okay, so it comes in many forms. Chromatography comes in many forms. We have the paper chromatography, we have the liquid chromatography, we have the gas chromatography, and the last one is the ion exchange chromatography. Okay, so the last one for today is this, and this method does deals with the removal of salt from water. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And this is a diagram showing the various separating techniques we have. In this diagram is the simplified format of the other one being displayed. So, and that other one that was being displayed before this simple diagram was showing the definition, the various separating techniques, and once again it was also showing some of them that have subdivision. Like now that distillation have simple distillation and fractional distillation. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video to the end. Please, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just click the red button below. And if you are watching it on all our other social media platforms, please don't forget to follow, like and share. And if you are watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't also forget to share and turn on your notification so you'll be notified when the second and the third video regarding the separation techniques is released. And the reason why we splitted this video in this manner is for proper understanding. I believe some of you may be thinking, why are they splitting video? It's for proper understanding and to be taking it step by step so that there won't be a miss up or miss out of important information regarding this topic. We want you all to understand this topic, and we want at the end of the day you're able to say, yes, I gained this from this channel, I gained this from this social media platform. Thank you very much for watching this video. We really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share. And if you have any comment, question, improvement, suggestion, please you can make use of the comment section, or you can reach us to our customer care service, or you can just message us directly. Please share this video. Love to see you in our next video, and I believe you gain one or two. Bye for now. And don't forget our motto: education is the key to success. Okay.